Good day to everyone, and in this video we will see the DC shunt generator. Okay, and we will also see the power flow in any generator. Okay, so these two things we are going to cover. See, I have already explained in videos about the DC shunt motor. So similarly your DC shunt generator, but here the direction of the current will change. Okay, so what I am saying is, see, this is your DC generator. What is a generator? That is, we provide some mechanical input to a generator to move the armature turns, and that mechanical energy is converted to the electrical energy. So that is the a very what you can say, a very above idea, like a very uh, I'm not getting an English word for that. Okay, so don't mind. Yeah, so this is our DC generator. It has some armature winding that has some resistance. It will produce an EMF. Okay, so it will supply some current to the we will say IS. The armature current we will mark as IA, and the same current will divide also, and we will have some more field winding. Since it is a DC shunt, so we have a shunt connected field winding, RSH, field winding resistance, and current in it is ISH. Okay, so your voltage at the terminal is given by your VT. Okay, so this is the whole scenario. Now we can easily write down the KCL at this point. KCL at what I could say at uh, P. Okay, so if I write down KCL at P, so these equations will do. Okay, always draw the equivalent circuit of any machine and try analyzing it. Equivalent circuit should always be on your tips. Okay, so KCL at P will be IA is equal to ISH plus IS. Okay, now KVL inside this loop. Okay, let me say at 1, KVL at 1 will be equal to, your generator will supply to some loss will be there in the armature. Voltage drop will be in the armature winding, IARA, plus your terminal voltage VT. Okay, you can also apply the KVL in this loop. Okay, so your KVL at 2, your, see here also your what, you can directly write down at VT as this thing. Okay, so you can apply KVL in this whole outer thing. So your VT will be equal to ISH into RSH. Okay, so these three equations will make you solve anything regarding DC shunt generator. Okay, and again those equations will come in handy. Okay, I have forgotten to draw the prime mover. Let me say your prime mover is this. Okay, and these equations will always come handy for any DC machine, that is E is equal to K phi N and torque is equal to K phi I. Okay, so for DC shunt generator, you can easily manipulate these equations and you can get everything, because see but for DC shunt generator your phi is proportional to the your ISH. Okay, so that also you need to keep in mind, and rest you can, I hope you can easily find out. Okay, so that is the all about the DC shunt generator, and now we will see the power flow in any DC generator. Okay, so our topic is power flow. See, power flow schemes in any rotating machine is always useful to have in your mind always. Okay, so power flow in DC generator. So power flow in DC generator can be seen as see, this is your mechanical power input, P mechanical, that is you are rotating the turbine. Okay, now some EMF is produced in the windings and there will be your armature loss. Okay, so or first you will take out your what, So this is the power, mechanical power input, that is you are rotating by the help of prime mover, the armature coils. Now there will be some mechanical losses, that you can say as rotational losses of bearing and other things. Now after that, the power developed by the generator will be E into IA. Okay. Now due to this armature current, there will be some losses, that is your I square RA losses. Okay. So your I square RA losses will be there. Okay. So after this I square RA losses, you will have the remaining power as P out. Okay. So this is a very basic schematic for the power flow in the DC generator. And your P out is what? Vt into I. What I have taken the notation IS. Okay, so Vt into IS. Okay, so this is the all about the power flow in DC generator. Okay, so if you just keep these things in your mind, then you will solve many questions. Okay, so this is all about this video. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe Electrical Diaries, and visit our website for more things. Okay, thank you.